This episode explores the quirky pocket translator, once hyped as a passport to instant global chats and awkward dinner party wins. It soared with flashy demos and celebrity boosters, yet its awkward user interface and clumsy voice tech turned saviors into punchlines. Marketing overpromised while pricing and timing clashed with savvy competitors, sealing its fate as a frustrating novelty. The lesson, simplicity beats spectacle and proper localization, is non-negotiable. If it had focused on real-world needs and affordable updates, it might have become a tiny but lasting tool.